In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch the Kings vs. Warriors game on ESPN so you can catch all the live action. Let's get started. To watch the game, check the ESPN schedule to confirm the broadcast time and channel. You can stream it live using a cable or streaming service that includes ESPN, such as Hulu, plus Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV. If you're using the ESPN app, download it on your device, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device, and log in with your TV provider credentials or ESPN Plus subscription. Navigate to the Live Sports section and select the Kings vs. Warriors game to start streaming. For smart TVs or devices like Roku or Fire Stick, open the ESPN app, log in, and activate it by visiting espn.com/activate if required. Alternatively, cast the game from your phone to your TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. Ensure a stable internet connection for uninterrupted viewing. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the game on ESPN.